you all taking time out of your schedule to be with us, kicking off a new webinar series brought by Persistent Systems. So I'm Bertrand Rayard, working for Persistent, offering manager on the integration solution. And I'm very excited to broadcast to you to start all our latest series titled Supercharging Engineering. And we did previously run some webinars about ELM, IBM ELM and solution, and went through also the latest release of ELM version 7. And now we are starting a new subset of sessions about integration with Persistent Unite products and services. We want to share how Persistent is building state-of-the-art OSLC integration with IBM ELM solution, with Persistent being IBM development and specialist business partner in this area. We really do know the tools well and how we can maximize and enhance your engineering solution with integration. So for those of you who could not join us on the previous webinar, you can see the slide which is displayed now, okay, and with the link of the various sessions and that you can rewatch. So from that series that we're going to run today, we're going to start. The first one is going to be around Unite for JIRA. We will follow with Unite for Git next week and integration with GitLab and Bitbucket into your IBM ELM solution. After having some more details about state-of-the-art OSLC integration foundations, and finishing with a very important topic for many of you, which is about ALM and PLM integration. So you can see the full schedule and register using the same link you did to register for this session. If you haven't already, I encourage you to do it so as a reminder. Next slide, please. So to introduce today's webinar, okay, so Persistent Unite for JIRA. We're going to start with these topics and highlighting main values and capability integrating IBM and ELM Atlassian JIRA. And we're going to present first few information about Persistent. So Persistent has been founded in 1990, sorry. And we are present in 20 countries. We have about 250 sellers. We have 10,000 people on software professional and just below 500 million turnover for 2019. So we have a wide range of services. Today we're going to be on the industrial side and talking about integration. Next slide, please. So what's our strategy? So we are working really across multiple areas, from design and engineering, manufacturing and operations, and bringing all these different components of the end-to-end life cycle of products. And we are leveraging many partners with IBM, Dassault, AWS, Siemens, Microsoft, and Google. And we bring the best of the solution for each different use case which are built in the context. So today we're going to focus really on IBM and our own capabilities, but for some other sessions on integration, we might touch some other area. So on the industrial side, we have more than 100 customers. We are a business about 56 million. We have a strong growth year to year of 37%, and we have more than 1,000 experts. So that's something we are very dedicated, and we are also, you can see our success with the growth that we have, and that's important for Persistent. Next. So in few words, our strategy, which is really moving from design to engineering to MES, manufacturing and operations, and getting that loop, is a critical journey for all our customers, and integration that we're going to highlight today more from the engineering side is a key component to achieve such a journey, so which is including data for supporting the traceability of the life cycle, but also how we can improve the process across different silos within the enterprise. So at this point, I'm going to introduce Tariq. So Tariq is a solution engineer, and he's been working on IBM ELM for long years, supporting sales and tech sales and services. And he's going to present today our integration unite for JIRA. So I let you continue, Tariq.
Thank you, Bertrand. I'm Tariq Imlahi from Persistent Systems. I'm a solution architect, and I will present you our connector called the Unite for JIRA. So about the vision, product and engineering teams developing software and integrated systems are under pressure to accelerate development cycles and meet evolving demands from customers and the market. So delivering customer value requires software products and engineering teams working together effectively. So projects need to achieve traceability and interoperability across engineering teams. Persistent Unite is the name of a family of persistent connectors that allow you integrating a set of third-party products with IBM ELM solutions. So customers can get better results from their software investments by integrating lifecycle toolchain. Unite enables deep integrations between IBM ELM and Atlassian JIRA to act confidently and provide cross teams collaboration. You will see that with using Unite solution, your assets remain secure in their native repositories without need to synchronize any data. Actually, Persistent provides Unite connectors for Atlassian customers using JIRA and Bitbucket, but other connectors are coming soon. The solution is Unite for JIRA that provide the most powerful features to support integration between IBM platform and JIRA solution. Features which are supported by Unite for JIRA are fundamental for data linking and are all very helpful to automate lifecycle integration. Unite for JIRA works with all IBM ELM solutions. It supports end-to-end traceability, so you can create links between requirements, models, tests, defects, user stories, etc. Supported tools for this integration are engineering test management, formerly RQM, engineering requirements management, formerly Doors Next or Doors 9, engineering workflow management, formerly RTC for change management, and finally, Rhapsody Model Manager for architecture modeling. Unite for JIRA implements OSLC technology, which is the industry-leading open standard for integrating software across lifecycle. OSLC simplifies integration by providing a standard product-independent integration method. On the other hand, Unite for JIRA provides global configuration support and global reporting, because reporting across the repositories is very critical for projects. With Unite for JIRA, projects can report on integrated sets of data that can be managed globally with IBM Global Configuration Application. Here are some screenshots as examples. You can see that Unite for JIRA supports end-to-end traceability to access and track information in real time across tools and workflows during the development lifecycle. The connector, it leverages OSLC technology to collaboratively allow linking across tools, and it provides bidirectional traceability across repositories. So you can access live data and manage collaboration links from remote applications. And by using OSLC mechanism, teams can create relationships between artifacts on different solutions that can be hosted on different servers. Finally, the connector enables integrations with IBM tools without need of data replication or synchronization. Real-time data is accessible via links and previews across repositories. And with this approach, engineers can make decisions faster while using their tool of choice. Capabilities. So as I explained before, Unite for JIRA enables teams to operate in their tools of choice and share live information. If we take integration between requirements and the change management as example, systems engineers can maintain their requirements in their preferred solution, which is DOORS 9 or DOORS Next, while software engineers can track implementation in JIRA. And with the bidirectional traceability, live access to requirements is available from JIRA, and implementation status is accessible directly from requirement solution. So software development teams can track requirements directly from JIRA side and create links to additional requirements directly from JIRA. And in the same way, for the testing activity, if you use Unite for JIRA to connect test management activity in ETM, engineering test management, with defects that are managed in JIRA, defects are created in testing phase. So developers using JIRA are notified in issues and defects, and they get all needed information to fix the defects because they are using the connector, and they have automatically access to the test execution and the test results from JIRA. And finally, regarding reporting aspects, Unite for JIRA enables reporting across the engineering tools. This enables to report on integrated sets of data using traceability links and the JIRA artifacts information into IBM Report Builder solution. Finally, other important capability provided by Unite Connector is IBM Global Configuration Support in IBM solution. Concretely, it enables users to link JIRA items to DOORS Next and ETM artifacts with configuration management activated in the projects. So the integration honors global configuration context, and OSLC links are created in the right configurations. About the platform support, Unite for JIRA supports IBM ELM products 6.05 and later. It can be used with the new ELM version 7.0 as well. It can be used also with the classic DOORS 9, starting with the 9.6 version. On the other hand, JIRA supported versions are 7.3 and later. So persistent supports the most recent JIRA versions and supports the new JIRA versions in a very short time frame. The connector is very intuitive solution that use JIRA native APIs. Installation and setup are very easy. The connector is provided as a JIRA plugin, so it's installed on your on-premise JIRA server. Then you need to define friend relationships between JIRA and your IBM ELM applications. Let me demonstrate the solution. I will demonstrate two different scenarios. Okay. The first one will be linking a JIRA story with a business goal requirement in DOORS Next. And my second scenario will be creating a defect in JIRA using a test execution in ETM, engineering test management. So I will start my demo by creating a new story in JIRA. Select story here. We'll give summary. projects. I open the story. And from the link menu, just select OSLC link, okay? And then you can create a link to an existing requirement. You can see here the project in DoorsNext I am using for this link. And then you can access to the DoorsNext project. And you can browse here your different folders that contain the requirements. And you can also browse your different modules. Okay. So if I select this module, I can use as well the views to filter on different information and artifacts in the module. And I can link to a requirement. On the other hand, I can use the folders. And from the folders, I can select business goals, for example. And I can select, for example, this requirement, and I link to this requirement. So when you create the link, you can preview here the details about this requirement directly from JIRA. Okay. So the requirement physically is stored in DoorsNext. And when you click on the link, you will access to the requirement in DoorsNext. And you can see from DoorsNext the link to JIRA. Backlink. On the other hand, you can use the folder view, okay, and you can add a column to implemented implementation tasks in JIRA, and you can see here for each requirement the task or the story that is managed in JIRA. Now I will show you the scenario with the test solution. I will just go to my testing project. Not in requirements or in tests. I will just execute a test case from ETM. So let's select this one, 33. I will run the test case. I can use existing test case record or generate a new test case execution records. So let's select this option. And now I will start my execution using this script. So this is the first step that I will validate. Second one I will validate as well. The third one is okay. And this one is not okay because I cannot see the screen. So for this step, I will create a new defect directly from ETM. I am using here the Unite for JIRA connector. And automatically, I have a screen of JIRA to log a new issue. And I create the issue. So from ETM, I can have details about the issue in JIRA. And if I want to get more details about the issue, I click on the issue. And you can see that I have a new bug created in JIRA with all the details provided in the description field that are added automatically in the description. And you can see the link to the test execution here. Okay. You can have details about the test, and you can click on the link to go back to the test result, and you can see here the JIRA defect we created in ATM. Okay. So the navigation is very easy. You can get all the details using the preview with OSLC links, and you can navigate from one solution to the other one. So for the benefits, it will be the conclusion for me. Unite for JIRA maximizes visibility across workflows, so you can easily achieve visibility in requirements, architecture, tests, and implementation. It connects JIRA to all engineering applications to enable understanding, interpretation, and sharing real-time data across workflows. Obviously, it improves collaboration between teams, and it provides a sophisticated integration between JIRA and IBM tools thanks to OSLC mechanism. Everyone in the whole team can access the live status of artifacts very easily. And finally, Unite for JIRA accurately captures and communicates requirements, progress, and teams' interdependencies, and provide end-to-end traceability from high-level requirements, tasks, test cases, defects, and ensure requirements are fully satisfied.
Thanks a lot, Tarek. Okay, so I think that's always amazing for me that how you can be on one product or another one, you even forget where you are, you're just following the process and get the right information. So the objective of that demo is not to show everything, but to highlight one use case, and thanks a lot, Tarek, for that. So that's a very interesting one. I think that we are open for any question if you have. So if you have any questions that you want to post on the Q&A area, we'll be very pleased to answer them. If not, you can also reach us later about it. So why persistent? I think that type of integration is part of the DNA of persistent. We have more than 2,000 engineers, working on the IBM ELM platform. We are assisting, IBM on that work to make it happen. As a partner, we've been 70 years, 70 years, imagine, as an award winning with IBM Partners and Partner of the Year on 2019, last year. And we also use that solution internally. Okay, so that's quite important that you know that IBM ELM is everywhere, integration is everywhere, and that's part of our DNA. Can you go next, please? So if you want to, the presentation will be shared, and if you want to have some more information, you can go on the website. There is also a video available on YouTube. There is also some very interesting material which has been delivered through the different webinars on the previous one. It can be seen directly online, and you can grow them. We have also some very interesting point of view from the blog point of view and references. So that's we are very pleased to share with you. So I don't see any question right now. So I'm looking out for episode 2 about integration, where we share in detail the presentation about IBM ELM and Git, so including Bitbucket and GitLab integration. That will also include a demo. Thanks a lot for joining. Keep safe in this time of uncertainty, and we look forward to welcome you on our future webinars. So the landing page will load once the webinar is closed, and we urge you to register to the future webinars if you haven't done that already. So if you don't have any question, I'm going to wish you a very good day, and please reach out if you have any questions or watching the different webinars if you're interested in that type of offering. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.